Hi Scentsy friends, today I'd like to give you a quick demonstration on one of the diffusers in our range, and this one here is called the Avid Diffuser. There are cheaper diffusers on the market. None of them have the high quality standards that our Scentsy diffusers do. Diffusers come with 16 different LED light settings. They come with 3 different misting options, and as you can see with this one here, it's constantly changing color and going through that beautiful rainbow mode that we love so much. All of our diffusers are exactly the same inside. It has a very unique design. You simply fill to the fill line here. There's a fill line inside with just plain tap water is absolutely fine. Just drop a few drops of your favorite essential oil in there and pop the hat on, and then pop your diffuser shade on. It's just so simple and easy to use. The fragrance is consistent. From the time you turn it on to the time you turn it off, the fragrance is going to be the same. And that's because that oil is simply mixing through the water. There's a ceramic plate in the bottom, agitates the water and vibrates, and so that agitation helps the water mix through with the oil, and that's going to create that beautiful consistency and fragrance. As soon as the water reservoir is empty, it simply shuts itself off. 3 misting options is high, which is going to last you for 4 hours, low, which is going to last you for 8 hours, and intermittent, which it's on now, is going to last you for 8 hours. In our colors, we can tap once for high, once for low, and then this one is our candle flicker mode, and you can see that it's flickering there. And then again, press and hold, and press and hold, and this is going to go into our rainbow sequence. In the rainbow sequence, if you do like a particular color, you simply tap it and it will freeze on that color. You can tap it again to change the colors. It's just so cool. This particular shade here has a plastic section inside. Don't remove that. That is going to diffuse the light in the diffuser. I've seen where some customers have taken that out because they thought it was part of the packaging, but it's actually not. It is part of the diffuser. The actual shade on the Avid is completely made of wire. So the great thing about this is it's totally kid proof. You can drop this thing, it will not break. Some of our diffuser shades are quite fragile and they will break if you drop them, obviously. The great thing is you can buy a shade separately if you just like that particular shade. But with the Avid Diffuser shade, it's pretty much unbreakable. As I said, it's made of this coiled metal wire. It's got these little gold studs in between to hold it all together, and that goes for the top as well. You can see there it doesn't have that plastic sheeting on the top, and so that's why you can see straight through it. That's what it looks like if you take this plastic cover out. The other thing to note is that these are best used in a high traffic area where that mist is being moved around all the time, because that's how it's going to clean the air in your home. The diffuser generates a fine mist particle, putting negative ions into the air, and that gives weight and moisture to things floating through the air, and that's literally how it cleans your home. The diffusers are an amazing addition to your home, especially if you have anyone with respiratory difficulties, maybe suffering from asthma, the flu, anything like that, then this is going to be a really amazing addition to your home. Hope you've enjoyed this review of the Avid Diffuser. See you later.